Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Settings and navigating directly to Keyboard or Input. This gets you where changes take effect. Once there, scan the list for an entry labeled Emoji, Emoji Keyboard, or a globe icon. If you see multiple keyboard entries, note which one shows Emoji. You need to be on the keyboard list view to remove or disable it, so make sure to stay on the screen before moving to removal. This prevents accidental changes to other input methods. Now you disable or remove the emoji option directly. Tap Edit or Manage, or open the keyboard name to reveal toggles and delete buttons, then turn off the emoji toggle or choose Remove/Delete. On some platforms, you must drag the keyboard off the active list or long press and select Uninstall. Once done, exit Settings and test by opening any text field and checking the globe or smiley. It should be gone. If not, repeat the steps and finish by verifying the change in a messaging app so you confirm the emoji keyboard is off. If the emoji icon still appears, restart your device and check again, because some systems need a reboot to apply keyboard removals. If problems persist, clear keyboard app cache or sign out and back into your profile. Make sure you remember which keyboard you removed so you can re-enable it later if necessary, and only re-add what you actually need.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.